Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience what you really are. It is better to act and repent than not to act and regret. Since love and fear can hardly exist together, if we must choose between them, it is far safer to be feared than loved. Men should be either treated generously or destroyed, because they take revenge for slight injuries. For heavy ones they cannot. If an injury has to be done to a man, it should be so severe that his vengeance need not be feared. Men in general judge more from appearances than from reality.